Today we will be testing the ATR stepped indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the ATR stepped indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 65 different strategies, with 17 of them being profitable. The best one was able to achieve an 80% win rate. That was the 5-minute scalping strategy that I've done a few videos on now. I'll go ahead and put the thumbnail up right now on the screen so that way you can see that, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video. I highly recommend you check out that strategy if you're looking for a profitable strategy to use. We've also tested a total of 879 indicators, with 370 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 64 of the winning indicators. 26 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the ATR stepped indicator, and you can see it here on screen. The setup on this, as you can probably guess, is pretty easy. What we are looking for is going to be the coloration switch. The line itself, the ATR line, obviously is switching colors. Then you can see that there is a bar color shift as well. And you can also see, it's a little bit hard to see, but there is a purple S right here, signifying a sell signal, and a yellow L right here, signifying a buy signal. And so again, I know those are kind of hard to see, but basically they just happen on the color shift. So when we shift to the red coloration in the bars, that's going to be a sign to go short. When we shift to the green coloration in the bars, that's going to be a sign to go long. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, the first signal that we pick up is going to be a short signal. We get that shift in the coloration there from green to red, and we get that S tag there, that S symbol that we were talking about. See, we get a nasty pullback here, and looks like that is going to stop us out. For some reason, this evening TradingView has been a little glitchy and weird. I don't know exactly what it's doing, but just bear with me here if it acts up while we're testing this. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is going to be a long signal. Again, you can see that shift in the coloration right here. Looks like we had a little bit of a push to the upside there. And it looks like it was just barely enough to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Short signal right here. You can see that coloration shift there that we're looking for. Get a little bit of a pullback, but then it does roll over and make a push to the downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You are welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, just charts in general where he's doing analysis of the Forex market. These are a couple of the kind of cleaner charts that he has posted. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool. And I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. And then we have our other admin, Jay, who also does really great at helping out, explaining things, walking people through different stuff and helping out. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The latest video that I put out was the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy right here. If you are looking for a strategy to start with, I highly recommend that you jump onto this video. You watch it, check out the strategy. It's a great strategy in there. I outlined the indicators that I use and explained that I am offering those indicators to our patrons. And so you just get a ton of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Scroll this back a little bit here. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 winners. And so that's not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. All in all, this seemed like a rather interesting indicator. I would like to note that even on the losing trades that we did pick up, at least a couple of the losing trades, you can see that price actually did go in the direction that the indicator was signaling. It just took a little bit of a pullback for price to finally kind of cooperate. So you can see here that we get a short signal here, get a nasty pullback, comes back, stops us out, and then price does come down. Not a tremendous amount, but it does come down enough there that could have gotten a decent trade out of that. This one right here, we actually got stopped out just because of this really long wick to the downside right here. Came down, and stopped us out right there before, again, we made a nice push to the upside, or at least an okay push to the upside. Wasn't huge, but again, enough to get a decent trade out of it. And so you can see that at least those two there would have been actually winning trades, and then that would have put us at, let's see, this one as a losing trade, and that would have been the only losing trade out of this one. And so would have bumped up the win rate a decent little amount there, and turned this into a profitable indicator. So I do think there is some validity behind this indicator. It's a little bit of a kind of tweak on the old ATR kind of classic indicator, and again, it looked like it was at least somewhat giving some decent trades. There's a order right there, just hit my take profit on that scalping strategy that I was telling you about there. So that executed that order right there as closing out my order, again as a profitable trade. Didn't mean for that to happen, but since it popped up, figured I'd call it out. Anyways, an interesting indicator. I think is worth playing around with. So definitely wouldn't throw this one out. Maybe throw it on screen and see what you can get out of it. So, but for now, it is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.